Energy Toolbase's suite of software allows you to model, control, and monitor projects. We take a holistic or a life cycle approach so that developers have the tools to be able to sell projects and keep their customers happy over the life of the system.
One of the most unique things that Energy Toolbase is doing in the industry, because you can, develop a project in the developer module, control it, and then monitor it all with the same system.
ETB Developer is essentially a sales and proposal generation tool. With over 1,400 active users, you can model solar and storage projects, present it to your end users, and use standardized templates. We have an in-house utility rates team that updates and logs over 100,000 different rates across 32 different countries. Now, this is important because it allows you to precisely calculate electricity costs, utility bills, and the total project economics.
We started using Energy Toolbase Developer around 2015, and it's been a game changer ever since. It's been made our proposal creation a lot easier and a lot more streamlined.
Our Acumen EMS is essentially an energy management system, or battery controls. It uses AI and machine learning to forecast and then optimally discharge your battery systems. It can be sited behind the meter or in front of the meter with a variety of control strategies, from demand charge management and TOU arbitrage, like at this facility, or PV self-consumption, or participation in programs like grid ancillary services and demand response programs. Last but not least, our Acumen EMS comes fully integrated with some of the leading battery manufacturers in the industry, like Socomec, Tesla, BYD, and Delta.
What the Acumen EMS does, it says, hey, energy that's being produced by the solar, I'm kind of low on my battery level here. I need to be charged up, so send the energy to me. Or if the battery's full, it says, hey, the building needs a whole bunch of energy. Let's send it to the building. Or if the building loads are low and the battery's full, it says, hey, let's send this energy to the grid and get a credit. So it controls all of that mechanisms back and forth. So it's really cool and really gives the solar energy industry what it needs to be more competitive in the market.
Transparency is one of ETB's core focuses. So it was paramount that when we created a monitoring product, we allowed stakeholders to view the savings and performance of their solar and storage systems in real time. And that's exactly what we've done. When you log into your ETB Monitor portal online, you can see how your system is performing in a variety of ways. There's interactive graphs, there's power flow charts, and you can download the data directly out of the system. There's one really exciting thing about ETB Monitor, and that's the ability to leverage our utility rates engine. So now you can see what the dollar savings of your solar and storage systems are, not just when you model them on the front end, but when they're deployed in the field.
The biggest advantage of ETB Monitor is that before, on the sales side, you propose something and then it stays there and you have to refer back to papers to find out what is going on. ETB Monitor brings that to the forefront and then brings the actual right alongside it so that you can see exactly how it's doing compared to what was proposed. And oftentimes it's exceeding it, so the client sees that and is really happy about that.
If you're interested in learning more, please log on to energytoolbase.com and reach out to our contact team, and we can answer any questions that you may have.